Customize your Edge 1030 with free apps, widgets, and data fields from the Connect IQ store. To get started, download the Garmin Connect mobile app to your smartphone. Then pair Edge 1030. It's quick and easy. Open the app on your phone and tap the menu icon in the top left corner to access Connect IQ. Then choose Devices. Select Edge 1030 from the list. Then Connect IQ Apps. Select whether you want to look at applications, widgets, or data fields. At the bottom of the screen, tap Get More. Browse the apps, widgets, and data fields available for your Edge 1030. And when you find one you like, tap Download. To use Connect IQ apps you've downloaded, such as Training Peaks or the Best Bike Split Racing app, go to your Edge home screen and tap IQ. To view a widget, swipe down from the top of the screen and then swipe left or right to cycle through your widgets. Connect IQ widgets such as AccuWeather MinuteCast can help you find the perfect time for your ride. To add data fields to activity profiles on your Edge, tap the Menu button, or simply press and hold on the activity profile name. Touch Data Screens. Then Screen 1. Then Layouts. Swipe through available layouts, and when you find one you like, tap the checkmark to select it. From there, double-tap any of the fields you want to change. You'll see a list of available categories. Tap Connect IQ and choose the downloaded data fields to add. If you don't want to affect the layout, you can also make changes directly from the activity screen. Just press and hold on the data field you'd like to edit, then select from the list that appears. New apps, widgets, and data fields are always being added to the Connect IQ store, so check back to see what else you can download to enhance your ride. Thanks for watching. To learn more about riding with Edge 1030, make sure to watch the other videos in this series.